Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei Nova 3i smartphone with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device, its design, its highlighted feature functionality and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So let's just start it. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. You can see on the front side we have the Huawei branding, Huawei Nova 3i, Nova 3i, Nova 3i, Huawei branding logo once again. Here we got information about the model, that the device we got inside is blue in color, that's iris purple basically officially, and the ROM inside, the internal storage is 128 GB and amount of RAM is 4 GB. So this is all about the retail box. It's a standard Huawei white color retail box as we have seen in Huawei Nova 3e or other smartphones. So let's open and let's see what we got inside. So here is our smartphone. Here is the icon of user manual and the SIM card tray ejector pin. SIM card tray ejector pin is visible, but there is no user manual because this is a review unit, but if you're going to buy the device from the market, you will get everything inside. So basically what is missing here is the user manuals, and there is no case provided because there is no icon of case. Since last few smartphones like P20, P20 Pro, P20 Lite, Huawei stopped giving a case inside the retail box, so you will have to buy it from the market if you're going to buy this device. So here is the SIM card tray ejector pin, and then here is the Huawei charger, a USB cable. It's a micro USB cable, it's not USB Type-C. That means our device is not USB Type-C. And what else we got? Here is a 3.5mm earphone. So once again, our Huawei Nova 3i is a device with a 3.5mm audio jack, so this is a good thing. So basically these are the content we got inside the retail box: a 3.5mm earphone, micro USB 2.0 cable, a charger, a SIM card tray ejector pin, and our Huawei Nova 3i smartphone. So you can see this is really a beautiful smartphone. So here is our Huawei Nova 3i smartphone in iris purple. You can see it's really a very beautiful smartphone. So let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the hardware specs of the device. That it comes with Kirin 710 octa-core processor along with Mali G51 GPU, 4GB RAM, 128GB storage. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo OS on top of Emotion UI 8.2. The screen is 6.3 inch size and it comes with Full HD Plus resolution with 409 ppi. This is an IPS LCD screen. It is powered by a 3340 mAh battery. So now we are on the setup screen. I'm going to skip all of these steps to reach the home screen first. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Huawei Nova 3i. You can see it's a huge device with 6.3 inch Full HD screen and the display quality is looking really nice. So first of all, let's have a look on the design of the device. So on the front side, here is our Huawei Nova 3i with this huge 6.3 inch screen. There is a notch provided. This notch is a bit bigger because the device comes with dual front camera setup. So you can see that we got two front facing camera, and because of that the size of the notch is a bit bigger because we got an earpiece here as well. At the bottom the chin is really tiny, and this is really nice because the screen to body ratio is 82%. The front side of our Huawei Nova 3i is really nice and beautiful. On the left hand side we got the SIM card tray. On the right hand side we got volume rockers and the power key. At the bottom there is speaker grill, microphone, two antenna lines, USB port and 3.5mm audio jack. At the top there is a microphone provided once again, and on the sides we got very well hidden antenna lines as well. So basically we got 4 antenna lines, but side of Huawei Nova 3i so flashy and shiny that antenna lines are basically not visible, and the beauty of the device is really improving. So it's provide a seamless experience, as you can see here in terms of visual experience I'm talking about here. The screen comes with curved glass display here, as you can see, and it is also enhancing the beauty of the front side of the device. And on the back side, what we got is the camera module. It is exactly at the same place where we have seen in previous few Huawei smartphones. There is some information about the aperture of the lens used. Here is the fingerprint scanner. The scanner itself has matte finish a bit, as you can see here. At the bottom we got the Huawei branding, and you can see how beautiful is the back of Huawei Nova 3i. It's changing the color at different angles and it's really reflective and beautiful. So the design of Huawei Nova 3i is really nice, just like rest of the recent Huawei smartphone. It's so beautiful, especially the iris purple variant that we got is the most beautiful variant available of Huawei Nova 3i. And even though the device is very huge, it doesn't feel so huge in hand because of the great screen to body ratio, and the device is so lightweight here as well. But on the back side you can see there is camera bump clearly visible, just like the other Huawei smartphones like P20, P20 Pro. So while keeping the device on the table or ground, you have to be sure that the camera module is not touching any rough surface. Other than this, everything about the design of Huawei Nova 3e is really nice, and overall this device is really beautiful. Talking about the screen, it comes with 6.3-inch screen with Full HD Plus resolution and 409 ppi. So you will not see any pixelation on the device and you will enjoy the content on it perfectly. So let me bring it a bit closer to the camera. Now you can see how nice is the display quality of Huawei Nova 3i. So the display quality of Huawei Nova 3i is really nice. Let me check the brightness, just a quick glance. So the brightness is pretty good as well. I will take the performance of the device in bright sunlight, in outdoors as well, and I will cover that in the detailed review of Huawei Nova 3i, but right now it's looking pretty good and really bright. So you can get the idea that how bright was the screen of Huawei Nova 3i just few seconds back. Now if you go to the settings, you will find more information about the device. Go to the system and then about phone. Here you will see that the device is Nova 3i. Here's the model name. Emotion UI version is 8.2 as I have said. Android version is 8.1. CPU used is Kirin 710. RAM is 4GB. Internal storage is 128GB, out of which 113GB is free. This is the screen resolution, that's Full HD Plus, and the Android security patch is of June. And if we go to the recent apps, here you can see that out of 4GB, 2.65GB RAM is free right now. After using the device for the very first time, you can see nothing is running in the background. All apps are closed, only the setting app is running. So after installing some apps and games, you will get between 1.5 to 2GB RAM free most of the time. Let me clean it. It is still 2.66GB. So you will get around 1.5 to 2GB RAM available for you most of the time. And as we have seen already, that out of 128GB, 113GB internal storage is free because 11.2GB is already preoccupied by the firmware and then pre-installed application and some other stuff. But the good thing is that Huawei Nova 3e also comes with a memory card slot. So on this device we got a hybrid SIM card slot. So SIM 2 slot can be used as a micro SD card slot, and it supports up to 256GB of memory card. So as you can see here, we got a set of Google applications, and then there is Huawei App Gallery, Phone Manager, Themes, Music, Video, Huawei Health app, Calendar, Clock. Under tools we got once again lots of applications like FM radio is there as well, voice recorder, mirror, backup, calculator, phone clone, and then we got the game suite. It is one of the most highlighted feature of Huawei smartphone these days. It comes with game acceleration and uninterrupted gaming settings. We will cover this in a separate video in detail, but for now I just want you to know that this is a feature basically for the gaming experience, and it improves the gaming quality a lot. And then there is party mode provided. Basically what this application does, that it will connect multiple smartphones and it will stream the same song at the very same time. So if you keep all these smartphones in different corners of the room, you will get a surround sound effect. So this is what this party mode application does. I will cover it once again in detail in our another video, but these are the content we got here. As you can see, lots of content inside the settings. As we have seen on previous Huawei smartphones, Emotion UI is a very rich ROM, and because of that it comes with lots of options and settings. We will cover them once again in our later videos in detail. And now let's talk about the camera. So Huawei Nova 3i comes with 24 plus 2 megapixel front facing camera setup. So the primary camera is 24 megapixel and 2 megapixel camera is used for bokeh effect. The 2 megapixel camera is basically a depth sensor, and on the back side what we got here is 16 megapixel primary camera along with 2 megapixel depth sensor once again. And all of these 4 cameras, back and front, they come with AI feature. The AI feature on Huawei Nova 3i improves the quality of the image by detecting the scene, lighting condition, etc., and applying some enhancement. Obviously on the rear camera we got lots of extra features and options available with AI. On the front side we got less, because you're not going to capture an image of a cat or a text or document using the front facing cameras. So these features are only available on the rear camera. So let's go to the camera app and let's have a look. So this is the camera UI. You can see that it comes with photo, video, AR lens, portrait mode, aperture mode is provided for bokeh effect. If we go to the more, you will find lots of options and settings. We will cover all of these and we will check the performance of all of these settings and options available on Huawei Nova 3i in our detailed camera review of the device. But right now I just want you to show like what are the features available. There's light painting, pro mode, night mode, HDR, time lapse, 3D panorama, document scan. If you go to the video mode and go to the settings, here you will find that it can record full HD videos at 60 fps. There is no 4K video recording available. As you can see here, for the front facing camera we got some additional features as well. For example, HDR Pro, that is available only on the front facing camera. For rear camera we got a dedicated HDR mode. As you can see here, there is slow motion provided as well, panorama, and all this stuff we will check in our later video. But right now let's take a picture and let's see how good our device is going to perform. You can see that AI is enabled, so you can either turn it off, AI camera is disabled, or you can turn it on. It's totally up to you. So I'm just going to take a few pictures of this tiny little toy here. So AI is enabled, but it's not detecting anything. It's not showing here what we got. Let me disable it and then take a picture once again. So this is the image that we have just captured, as you can see, and lots of details are there, as you can see here, and the color is really nice. This is with the AI. If you just tap on this, the AI enhancement is gone. This is the original image, but still lots of clarity and everything. Color saturation is reduced obviously after removing the AI effect. And here is our another image that we have captured without AI. As you can see, there is no option to apply AI now, so it's better to use the AI all the time, and whenever you want you can remove the AI effect or you can apply it, totally up to you. So at the first glance the camera performance is looking really nice. Even after zooming in a lot, the image is not getting distorted, not losing its quality. Let me capture one more image, a bit macro shot. And you can see that it's really nice. Even all the characters, everything about this toy is coming clearly here. So the camera quality is looking really nice, and it comes with lots of features, as you can see here. Especially the AR lens is provided as well, and you can see this is me. It's detecting my face here right now, and I'm saying, you can see now I'm going to raise my eyebrow, and it's mimicking me exactly as I'm doing. Lots of stuffs are there. I'm going to open my mouth and it will mimic me right now, as you can see. Or if I squint my eyes, so you can see how perfectly it's mimicking me very quickly. And you can use lots of other AR filters as well. I will cover all of them in our detailed camera review of Huawei Nova 3i, but at the first glance everything is looking really nice and perfect when we are talking about the camera performance of Huawei Nova 3i. So the first glance and the first impression of Huawei Nova 3i is really good. The design of the device is really nice. It's one of the most beautiful smartphone currently available in its segment for sure. The front is really good. The screen to body ratio is great. The display quality is nice. It comes with notch, but the good thing is that you can remove the notch as well. I will cover this in another video in detail, that how you can customize the notch and remove it. Lots of stuff you can do with the notch on Huawei Nova 3i. And the side, the back, everything about the design of Huawei Nova 3i is really good. Talking about the performance, we will check in our later videos, in our gaming review and benchmarking test, how good it's going to perform, but it's looking really nice and smooth. It comes with gaming suite feature that improves the gaming performance. And then we got 4 cameras here with AI capability and lots of AR filters. And at first glance, the camera performance was looking really great as well when we captured few images of this tiny doll here. So that's all for now, but I will upload many videos of Huawei Nova 3i very soon, covering its gaming performance, camera review, some comparison with other smartphones. So do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.